towers 196 meters above ground, over 12.3 million cubic meters of concrete. Completed in 1984, reshaping energy landscapes across borders. Two nations united through hydropower, transforming the Paraná River into an unparalleled source of renewable energy. Construction began in 1975. Located on the Paraná River, Itaipu Dam cost over $19 billion. Completed in 1984, it defied expectations. Visionaries saw immense potential, driving the project to harness powerful hydroelectric energy for Brazil and Paraguay's shared future. Severe energy shortages loomed ominously, imperiling economic growth. Two nations, Brazil and Paraguay, collaborated. They pursued hydroelectric power from the Paraná River. Without Itaipu, progress faltered. This monumental endeavor received funding approval. Can energy scarcity bind two nations closer than diplomacy ever could? Itaipu Dam stretches almost 8 kilometers long and stands 196 meters tall. It incorporates 12.3 million cubic meters of concrete. 40,000 workers from two nations collaborated. Their combined labor and dedication created 3,000 lasting jobs, reshaping regional energy dynamics permanently. Rechanneling the Paraná River posed a massive challenge. Engineers employed state-of-the-art techniques. The cofferdams diverted over 12,000 cubic meters per second. Meticulous planning was key. The solution involved a diversion channel cutting through rock. What groundbreaking solutions lie beneath the relentless force of the river? Engineers utilized cofferdams to divert the Paraná River. Innovative concrete cooling systems controlled heat during curing. This reduced cracking risks in the 12.3 million cubic meters of concrete. Precise geotechnical analysis ensured structural stability amidst differing national regulations. In 1975, construction commenced on the Itaipu Dam project, requiring monumental logistics. Over 40,000 workers from Brazil and Paraguay joined efforts. The first major milestone involved successfully diverting the Paraná River, clearing a formidable obstacle in the project's initial stages. Powerful machinery roared daily. Over 40,000 workers from two nations toiled under harsh conditions. Concrete volume reached 12.3 million cubic meters. Logistics of vast scale. Could diverging national interests unpick the threads of this monumental achievement? Over 40,000 workers from Brazil and Paraguay built the Itaipu Dam. They endured challenging conditions and endured long shifts. Living quarters were cramped, yet community spirit flourished, uniting people in pursuit of a shared monumental goal. Tons of steel, 380,000 tons, traveled far to Itaipu. Sourced painstakingly, this steel was equivalent to 380 Eiffel Towers. Concrete, 12.3 million cubic meters, was sourced locally. Efficient transport and installation were paramount, guaranteeing seamless progression of the monumental construction. Innovative engineering defined Itaipu. 20 massive generating units each produced 700 megawatts. Custom machinery, essential for this build, set new global benchmarks. Techniques pioneered here inform hydroelectric projects worldwide. Construction demanded adaptability, mastered by ISA and CIE engineers. In 1979, engineers discovered a geological fault. A significant stability threat loomed. ISA and CIE urgently evaluated options. Innovative anchoring systems were devised. Time and budget pressures mounted. Resolution demanded immense collaboration and skill. What unprecedented maneuvers would secure a venture belied by nature's hidden fissures? The turbines hum persistently, vibrating through the concrete. Control rooms, a sea of screens, monitor every watt. Temperature fluctuates, machinery radiates heat. Workers navigate vast corridors, each step echoing in cavernous spaces. It's engineering precision, a controlled symphony of power. The dam displaced over 10,000 families, submerging 1,350 square kilometers of forest. This immense environmental transformation remains controversial. Efforts to balance progress included ecological preservation programs, but debate persists over the magnitude of the retention zone's impact. Itaipu Dam's actual expenditure soared to $19.6 billion, surpassing its initial budget. Funding came from international loans. Over 3,000 jobs emerged. Its electricity exports significantly bolstered Paraguay's GDP, spurring both industrialization and economic symbiosis with Brazil. Itaipu spurred Curitiba's industrial revival, doubling manufacturing output by 2000. Foz do Iguaçu transformed, its population surging over 250%. Ciudad del Este became Paraguay's commercial hub, leveraging enhanced power access. Economic fortunes in both nations drastically improved post-1984 completion. Itaipu proved unprecedented international collaboration was possible. At 996 meters tall, its engineering personified. Completion in 1984 redefined megaprojects globally. Itaipu's 20 units, each 700 megawatts, still influence today. World's second largest by installed capacity. Engineering record setter. Itaipu Dam remains a powerhouse. Future innovations may dwarf its scale. Renewable energy advancements focus on efficiency. The site inspires global projects. Expansions in Africa and Asia may challenge its stature. Sustainability drives this next wave. On a sunlit morning, a worker stands silently by the Paraná River. His hands rest on the massive concrete surface. Below, the churn of water whispers stories of dreams crafted by 40,000 hands. Unity through labor, spanning two nations' hopes. You've witnessed an engineering marvel. Itaipu Dam, built by 40,000 workers, stands 196 meters tall. Will it inspire future feats?